This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Wii Sports on iPhone. Start by checking your iPhone model and iOS version, then download a compatible Wii emulator from a trusted app store or sideload source and obtain legal game ROMs you own. Connect a paired Bluetooth controller or use touchscreen calibration. Adjust input and graphics settings for smooth gameplay. Test each sport mode and save controller profiles to switch quickly between bowling, tennis, boxing, and golf. Download and install the emulator you chose, following on-screen prompts and security warnings. Locate legal Wii game ROMs you own and transfer them to your iPhone using a computer or cloud service. Verify checksum and file integrity, then place ROMs in the emulator library. Configure save folders and backup options to avoid data loss. Restart the emulator after settings change and run a short test to confirm games load correctly before playing longer sessions. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated with a leak-proof lid and excellent insulation, perfect for intense gameplay sessions or walks between matches. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for yourself. It fits most cup holders and has a comfortable carry loop. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Pair a Bluetooth controller that matches Wii motion inputs or use touch controls if hardware is unavailable. Calibrate sensitivity and motion axes in the emulator settings and create separate profiles for different sports. Lower graphics scale if frame rate drops and enable frame skip sparingly to preserve responsiveness. Practice swinging and timing in training modes before competitive play. Keep battery levels visible and carry a portable charger for extended sessions regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.